So the next question is example 3 from introduction to trigonometry, that is here it is mentioned consider triangle ACB. Consider a triangle ACB. Here triangle ACB, right angle at C. Here this is the right angle, here at right angle, and in which AB equals to 29 centimeters. So here AB, this value is 29 centimeter. It is given here 29 centimeter, and BC is this one. BC is how much? It is given 21 units. Okay, BC is 21 units. Now another one, what is given here? Angle ABC equals to theta. Angle ABC, here at B it is taken as theta. Determine the values of, first one is cos square theta plus sin square theta, and the second one is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We have to find out. Okay, let us come to the solution. First, from the figure, what is the figure is given here? Triangle. From the triangle ACB, angle C, right angle at C, right angle at C. So that means we can say ABC is a right angle triangle. So from this we have AB value 29 units and BC value 21 units. From this we can find the AC value. For that, which theorem we can use here? From the Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, from Pythagoras theorem, what we can write here? From the Pythagoras theorem we can write, so AB square, hypotenuse square, AC square, AB square equals to, from the Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to, we can write AC square plus BC square. So from this we need to find out AC value. So for that, AC square equals to AB square minus BC square. So AB square, AB means how much it is given here? AB means 29 units and BC means 21 units. So AB means 29 units, that means 29 square. BC means 21, that means 21 square. So 29 square. So 29 A square, here we can see here A square minus B square. So from this simply we can write AC equals to, so if you are removing the square, AC equals to under root 29 square minus 21 whole square. So this is in the form of A square minus B square. So we can write this one as A plus B into A minus B, that is 29. A means what here? 29, B means 21. So we can write 29 plus 21 into 29 minus 21. This is the method A square, A plus B into A minus B. Since, so how can we write this? Means since here A square minus B square equals to A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. So this is the one. Now make the simplification. Right, so A minus B means what here? 29 minus 21. So A plus B means what? 29 plus 21. Write that. So again AC equals to 29 plus 21 means 50, and 29 minus 21 means 8. So 50 into 8, AC equals to 50 into 8, 5 8 is 40 and 0 0 here. 400. So AC equals to, we can write under root 20 square. So for the square root will be cancelled. AC equals to 20. We got AC equals to 20. So now we got this one also. That means here AC value is how much? 20 units. Now we can write the trigonometric ratios, that is cos theta and sin theta. Now first apply the first one, cos theta. What is the cos theta here? Let us see. So cos theta equals to, we can write first question is we can write here. What is the first question? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, and from the figure we can write cos theta. Cos theta means here adjacent, this one BC by hypotenuse 29. So cos theta equals to, we are writing here cos theta equals to, adjacent means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent means what? BC by hypotenuse means AB. Hypotenuse means AB. BC means what? 21 by AB means what? 29. Okay, 21 by 29. The next one is, then the next one is, what is the next one here? Sin theta we need to write. Where is the sin theta? So sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Now we are writing opposite by hypotenuse. Second, sin theta equals to hypotenuse. Sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So then we can write hypotenuse means what? AC by AB. Hypotenuse means AB, that equals to AC means what? 20 by 29. Now we are going to find the sin square theta plus cos square theta. First, what is the first one? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta equals to, how much we got? 20 by 29 whole square plus cos square theta means 21 by 29 whole square. That equals to, we can write 20 square by 29 square, 20 square plus 21 square, 20 square plus 21 square by, here LCM is same, that is 29 square. That equals to, 20 square means what? 400 plus 21 square means 441 by 29 square means 841. So total here 400 plus 441, that is 841 by 841. Both will be cancelled, that equals to 1 is remains. And second one is sin square theta minus cos square theta. That equals to, the same process we can write here 21 by 29 whole square minus, then we can write 20 by 29 square. So what we can write here, LCM is same, then LCM is same, we can write this one as a square. 29 is same here, 21 square minus 20 square, that equals to 21 square minus 20 square, that equals to 441 minus 20 square means 400 by 841, that equals to 41. 441 minus 400 is 41 by 841. This is the answer.